Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The issue revolves around the profile view's height not changing after an animation. The code provided sets up the profile view with constraints, but there seems to be a hiccup in adjusting the height during animation. Now, onto the solution to our little problem. The initial code snippet loops through the constraints of the profile view to find the height constraint. If the height constraint is found, it updates the constant accordingly. However, as indicated by the revised code snippet, the initial approach does not accurately identify the height constraint, leading to the animation issue. Expanding on the solution, the revised code snippet rectifies the constraint identification problem by checking for the height constraint based on specific attributes. This improved method ensures the correct height constraint is targeted for adjustment, thereby allowing the animation to function as intended. Moving on to a more modern approach, the use of nslayoutconstraint activateConstraints simplifies the constraint setup process. By specifying constraints for the profile view's height, width, left, and top anchors in a concise format, the code becomes more readable and easier to manage. Taking a step further, the final part of the solution introduces a revamped layout approach using a custom view controller. By setting up a profile view with a height constraint property, the animation on the profile view can be smoothly controlled based on the desired height adjustments. To wrap things up, we've tackled the profile view height animation problem by refining the constraint identification process and enhancing the layout setup. Hopefully, this breakdown helps shed some light on optimizing constraint handling in view animations. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going.